Police Sergeant Lewis initiated a traffic stop after observing the driver, Jailen, run a stop sign, speed excessively, and nearly collide with pedestrians crossing the street. When questioned, Jailen admitted he did not have a driver's license. As he moved, Sergeant Lewis noticed a firearm tucked into his front waistband. When asked to step out of the vehicle, Jailen refused. Sergeant Lewis attempted to remove him by grabbing his arm.
Don't do it. Don't do it. No.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off.
Turn the car off.
He's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun.
Hey, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand.
11, start.
Act 31 on Leo, West Palm.
I copy, Act 31 on Leo.
North on Spruce.
North on Spruce.
East on 25.
Hey, this is 4, just 14. Signal 4 on me. What's your description? It's going to be a gray Nissan Altima. Six oh six West Palm, dual Allen County Volvo. Vehicle is last northbound on Broadway from 25. I lost it.
I copy at 1318.
9-20-26, Lewis. 11, coming over from Congress. I'll check. Is it Nissan Altima, you said? 10-4, Nissan Altima, black male, dreads. He had a 0 in his waistband.
What color?
Gray.
I got somebody saying Southland Dixie right now from 25.
8-6, Sergeant Lewis, you said northbound on Broadway, correct? That's where you lost sight? 10-4.
11-10 to Sergeant Lewis.
50 minutes later, officers located the vehicle parked.
Just stand by with this.
Alright, 10-4.
Good.
Mother has
Understood.
the signal 0 that the tail had on her.
I'm on, sir. Good job, Rito.
I literally told him, I was like, if that car
You want a pat on the back?
and the RO is, like, it has to be right here.
Right, and the other one's got to be around somewhere.
While inspecting it, Octavia emerged from a nearby apartment and informed an officer that her son had been the one fleeing from police.
I don't know, but he's not going to run from you.
You're good.
He just wanted to come to me because I was in the house.
Y'all scared me, both man.
Just hush. Just hush.
We got Sergeant Lewis, the suspect, 1012. His mother just walked him over to us.
Yeah.
No, we're not using handcuffs. We're good.
I didn't mean to harm.
It's mine. It's mine.
It's your
I
car?
got scared,
It's
bro.
mine.
Okay.
He didn't even
All
give me a
right.
chance to
He
explain
don't
myself.
do
No,
it.
nothing.
Let's
He just
go in
wanted
the
to
car
run
real
at me,
quick.
bro.
I just didn't want him to come. I didn't know. He told me he asked to come to his mom, and the officer said no. And so he seen my gun clip on the passenger side, and he pulled his gun out on me. He ain't been outside in 5 years.
Can you have her walk?
Got the vehicle over here too, in the parking lot behind 400, 421 Lilac.
You looking at me because you know you tried to shoot me, bro.
Alright, 10-4. Mother has the signal 0 that the male had on him.
What are they gonna do to him? I'm just so scared. He's scared and I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
My son is scared.
Okay.
He hasn't been out. He got shot like 2 years ago in my home in a bad neighborhood. He hasn't been out. He need help, but y'all scared him. The gun just probably caused a reaction when he said he want to go to his mama. He came in screaming, saying y'all was gonna kill him, and I did it for him. So I told him to wait. He said, "Mom, you gotta take me and turn me in." I just asked the officers to come home to my mama. and that's all he wanted to do. And when the guy, he said, "Mom," he seen your thing on the side, and he just said, "Oh, you got a gun, pull." And he pulled the gun out. He was scared. He panicked. You know, had never been in no trouble since he was young.
Gotcha.
So what's the problem right now? They need to get a car. What's going on?
Yeah, nobody can touch the car right now
Why? Can you explain?
because it was involved in a crime.
Oh, okay.
So, whatever happens with the car after this, I don't know. That's
What
not
you
gonna,
mean?
It's not going to be my decision.
What you mean? That's not even. Oh my God, are you serious?
But I don't know if they're going to photograph it and process it or
okay.
what they're going to do with it. I'm not sure. But just right now, nobody could touch it. So that's why somebody's got to stand by with the car.
It wasn't even.
That's it.
Oh man, I think my tennis shoes in that car. His tennis shoes, we got to take that to the store.
Here's a consent to search form. It just explains that you're allowing us to go inside the residence and search.
Who else? Search for what?
I'm sorry?
I got the gun right there at my door. What you want to search my house for?
It's just for if we can locate the weapon.
You got the weapon. I'll bring you the weapon. I don't want nobody in
Hang
my
on.
house. No, I don't want that.
You don't want to
Like, I
say?
just took a bath. I let you come in. I got no problem with that.
Right.
I'll take one person in my house. They can get the gun. That's not a problem. It's
Yeah,
right
so
there.
So
This is
it's
basically
consent. We have to.
explaining
We
that.
still, regardless
Like,
whether
if
we
you
just
wanna
No,
do
but
it
if
that
I
way,
give you permission, you don't need no warrant. I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna take you in my home. You come get the gun. I don't have a
so
problem with that.
Even if we like reach inside, we still have to complete this.
But
It
if I
doesn't-
invite you in my home, you don't.
Yeah, so
This
this
right
isn't
here.
a warrant. This is you officially giving us permission to go in your home to collect the gun.
This a search.
We're just
Oh,
going
wait,
for the
what?
gun. That's all. We can't come in there and start searching your whole apartment, nor do we want to.
You want to do it the way you said it, we can do that too. Walk me through, and we'll show me where the gun is, and we'll take it.
Yeah, it ain't
but
no
it's
issue.
just
you
still has
signing
to
this,
get
that's
signed.
it's going to be the same thing. It's just like you said, just you saying that you give us permission to walk exactly where it is, and that's it.
Oh,
We're not checking anything else.
okay.
The gun there. We're not looking for
Don't
any
look for my.
signals.
I just
Nothing.
took a bath.
We're
I got
not
my
looking
clothes
at
on my
anything.
No,
floor.
we're not searching
No,
your
not doing it.
house, okay?
Okay.
Okay, all right. That's at 40. Flip it over. Oh, it is 9. All right, cool. Alrighty. No rounds or anything?
He's got rounds in here.
In that one? Okay. And then
one
the chamber
ma-
was nothing there?
The chamber was empty.
No magazine in it?
This is no mag.
Someone did photos of the car? Someone is doing photos of the car? I believe someone's over there doing it. All right. You guys primary on the report? I don't believe so. Okay, who would that be? No, I'm not sure. Do you know who's primary on the report? I'm on primary.
They stop, you stop. You know my kid, you know what I'm saying? You know my kid fighting over a truck in the back. It's crazy. Fighting over the truck. My car is messed up. And I ain't dead, they fighting over it. I don't even know you was driving my car. You know what I mean?
No. He's gonna be coming with us. Do you want to say something before we take off?
No, y'all finna take it forever?
Not forever. No. But he's under arrest for what happened today.
Okay, what they gonna charge you?
That
Are
I-
they gonna be easy?
That I don't
He
know.
said he hit two police cars. You have
Oh,
to
he
take
didn't
it.
mean to.
What do you mean you didn't mean to?
Man,
Mom, he didn't.
Miss Felder.
Okay, I'm calm.
All right. He's gonna have his time. He's gonna have his day in court to explain his side of the story. It feels like it, but I assure you, it's not the end of the world. He's not going to prison for the rest of his life.
The end of the world.
Or anything like that. But there are consequences to
I
the
know,
actions
and
that we
then
take.
that's why he's supposed to pay for him. I don't want it to be the end of the world for him.
For sure.
That's all. You know, I'm raising a young person. I don't
Yeah.
want it to be the end of the world for my son.
Do you
I
wanna-
did
do you
all I
wanna-
can to get him to what he
Do you want to speak with him before we take off?
They gotta take you down. So just hang in there. I don't know like I don't know what he's charged with. Just be calm, don't cry, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Please. It's okay. I know. Look, just calm down. Sit back. Relax. They're not gonna harm you. Just sit back. These guys are okay. Sit back, baby. Sit back. Calm down, please. Okay? Sit back. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Listen, it's okay. They know you're not violent. They know you're not like this. Just calm down. Okay? Just be calm. Don't go in there crying. Be calm. They're gonna do what they can.
I'm gonna take him to St. Mary's for medical clearance.
Okay. Yeah, since he was in a wreck.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I just
Where is the rookie bus going?
Just up ahead.
just be calm for these.
Grab your thing on my hood.
Oh, yeah.
They're not gonna be like that, alright? I know you thought the officers was edgy, but they not. Just calm down. It's because they seen the gun. Baby,
Reach for the map.
it's
You gonna
okay.
tell me what?
Just calm down.
Oh, I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear it. I'll take the charge. I don't care for it. But you're not gonna tell me that, man. Shoot me, bro.
Right.
I'm not hearing that. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that. I don't. But please walk away. I don't want to talk to them.
Okay.
I'm done talking. I'm not gonna lie. I'm done talking.
Get your issues too.
Okay.
Just for your please.
Thank you. Yeah. Look, he's good. No one's gonna harm him.
Y'all, you can look his record. If
Yeah.
you need help with a medical response,
Okay.
you got it.
Let me tell him home. I'm gonna have a 10:15 on board. We're gonna be 51 to St. Mary's for medical clearance.
Jailen caused extensive damage to both Detective Dillard's vehicle and the Nissan Altima he was driving. He refused to answer any questions about the incident.
What's up?
I don't know about that assault, but I'm gonna have to fight that in court. But this firearm felony, what exactly is this for?
So, it says carrying a concealed firearm during the commission of the felony which would have been the aggravated assault on law enforcement.
Okay, so in order to fight that, I have to fight the assault.
Pretty much. I mean, I'm not a lawyer, so I can't really tell you what to do on that aspect. But I can say that charge stems from the assault one. I'd have to look through the citations